Welcome to Programming Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about module SIM topic. Okay, let's go. This is the module SIM's name we use in this video. That's name is SIM900 mini. It's quite small, right? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins. And the one hole right here is will support you plug the external antenna. Okay, because right here this is the default antenna on these modules and it's quite bad, so I think you have to break this this antenna and replace it with the external antenna to get the better signal. Okay, and if you want to plug the external antenna, you have to break it out. Okay, because on the modules you just only use one antenna. Okay, and there's some antenna you can choose right here. First, you can use the antenna of NRFL01. This is the module RF. Okay, you can use this antenna, and the other you can use this antenna. This antenna usually used for the module SIM. Okay, and the last one you can buy a module SIM is integrated with the antenna like this. Okay, but it's more expensive than the modules I give you. Okay, and to use the module SIM, we have to use the Uart protocol to communicate with the circuit and the Arduino. Okay, but pay attention about this. You should not use the hardware Uart on Arduino, because this is, you see, this is the hardware Uart pins, the pins 1 and pin 0. 2 pins TX and RX right here is connected to the computer to uploading code. So if you connect your module SIM to these 2 pins, the Arduino will be completed when we uploading code to Arduino. So, but if you still want to use these pins, I have a solution. Is you have to remove the wire out before uploading code. Okay, just removing, and then after uploading code you plug into again. But it's quite inconvenient if we connect the module SIM to the big circuit, right? You cannot plug and remove anytime. Okay, and the solution is we will use SoftwareUart. On Arduino, we can use this library to set up all pins on Arduino to a UART. Okay, we have to include SoftwareSerial.h. We don't need to download this library on the internet because it's already in your library when you download the Arduino. Okay, and next this is how we initialize the SoftwareUart with the name you want of this, and we'll rename it in MySoftUart. And this is a 2 parameter. The first parameter I will set up for the RX pins, and the last one is TX pins. Okay, in this video I will use the pin 3 for RX and pin 2 for TX. Okay, remember that. And this is the function begin. Okay, do you remember begin in the serial.begin? Okay, with the SoftwareUart, we can use all the function as the hardware UART, so we don't have to worry about that. And the module SIM use the baudrate 115200, so we have to use the 115200 to communicate with the module SIM. But with the serial monitor on Arduino, we still use the baudrate 9600. Okay, remember that. Okay, and the last one is the diagram. With the module SIM, it needs a high current to operate. So I have to connect to the capacitor with a 2200 UF, and the voltage right here. You can use any voltage you want. Okay, and just connect it to the 5 voltage, and the cathode pin to the GND, okay, and GND of module SIM to GND of Arduino. The 5 voltage of Arduino is connected to VCC of module SIM. And right here, I have 3 buttons. The first is connect to pin 12, the second is pin 11, and the last one is pin 10. Okay, and 3 of these pins we use to test the module SIM. The second is I will make a call to the phone, and the last one I will send a message. Okay, as I said, I use the pin 3, right? Pin 3 for RX and pin 2 for TX. So I have to connect RX of Arduino to the TX of module SIM, and I have to connect the RX of module SIM to the TX, because if you want to transmit to module SIM, I have to send the data from the TX pin to the RX pin. Okay, and if you want to receive any data from the module SIM, you have to connect the RX pin of Arduino to TX pin of module SIM. Okay, can you get it? Okay, this is a module SIM, right? And this is my SIM. Okay, and I have to plug with this size here. Okay, just push it into the module SIM, and right here I have a capacitor, and I stick it in the module SIM for easy to use. Okay, and this is the circuit. I have already connected some wire to Arduino as the diagram. So I just plug the module SIM into the dashboard and then uploading code. Okay, I will show you the code before I upload. Okay, and this is the antenna. It's the antenna of NRF. Okay. Okay, now we connect to the dashboard. Okay. And this is a phone I will use to call or receive message from module SIM. Okay. Okay, and this is the code. First, I have to include the SoftwareSerial library, and then I will init it to my SoftwareUart with the pin 3E RX and 2E TX as I said. I will create a combine string to combine one by one data from module SIM to compare, to check, okay, to check it. And this is the index to count. This is a chair receive. I will assign the my SoftwareUart.read to this chair, okay, to keep the data to avoid lost. Okay, and this is the get response function. It will receive data from module by this function. Okay, and I will set up 3 buttons as I said, input, and I will use the input with internal register. Okay, input pull up at pin 10, 11, and 12. 13, I will set it to output to blink when receiving call, and set the my SoftwareUart dot begin 115200 and the serial dot begin to communicate with serial monitor at 9600 baudrate. Okay, in the love function, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 function. The first one is here. If my SoftwareUart dot available, it means if you receive anything from from module SIM, I will get that data to receive and then compare it with the character I have right here. Combine with ring, that means I will combine with ring. So I combine R, I, N, G because if I receive a call from mobile phone, the module SIM will send to the Arduino a string that is ring, okay, and but it will send one by one. So the algorithm below, I combine one by one data and then compare with the string we want to compare, that is the ring. Okay, right here I combine. Okay, right here if the data I receive is R, I will increase the count and then combine it. That's it. After combine, I get R, and just like that, I can get RI, RIN, and RING, and then I will compare it with ring. If it equal, at the same time, if the index is 4, I will blink default LED to um, to mention to the user is have someone is calling to you, okay, and then I will reset the combine string and reset the count. And with the K right here, I will detect noise because because sometimes I cannot get the RING, but I could get R some special char because it's quite noise. So this function will detect noise and then reset the combine string, okay, and reset the index to ready to get a new data, okay, and then I will bring the receive to the serial monitor, but the receive here is can be some data like no career or anything the sim send to the Arduino, it just not ring, okay. If I press the button 10, I will send to the AT command to module sim to test, and with the 11, if I press the 11, I will call to my phone. The ATD is the command and the XX right here is your phone number, okay. And the last one is procedure to send a message to the phone, okay, and this is the end notation. Okay, we connect my Arduino to the computer and see what's happened. Okay, let's connect. Okay, now I will connect. Oh, now I will upload it and open the serial monitor. Okay, the open serial monitor right here. Now I will test to module sim. That's okay with AT command. I will press the button 10 on the left. Okay, on the left. I will press it. Okay, AT okay. AT okay mean your module sim is work good. Okay, that's again. Okay, okay. Now I will make a sample to call to mobile phone. This is the pin 11. I will press it and it will call to the mobile phone. Let's see. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put the number right here. Okay, I will put my number. And I also put the number right here. Okay, let's upload again. Okay, let's check. First, AT, okay. Okay. And now with the mid button, press. Okay, it's calling my phone. Okay, you see? Okay. And you see when I not answer, it will display here busy. Okay, and if the module SIM cannot call to the mobile phone, it will display error, or I don't catch the phone, the monitor will bring no carrier. Okay, you can test it by yourself. Okay, now I will try to call from this to SIM. Okay, let's check. Okay, you can see it ring. It's display ring right here. At the same time, the LED 13 is blink. Okay, you can see it. You can see it blinking. Okay, no carrier. And now I will send some text from module SIM to the phone. Okay, let's check. I will press this. Welcome to programming knowledge. Okay. Okay, here. Welcome to programming knowledge. Okay. It's easy, right? Okay, and now I will try to send from message from phone to SIM. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's check the monitor. Okay, here it receive okay hello. Okay, that's it, all the application with the module SIM. You can find out more in this link. I will put it in below the video. It will show you more tutorial of module SIM. Okay, and it have a sample code right here, and it have more 80 command you can research. Okay, thanks for watching.